Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Rakuten Advertising tracking setup detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Rakuten Advertising tracking setup, start by logging into your Rakuten Advertising account. Navigate to the Account Settings section in the dashboard. In the Account Settings, find the Tracking tab. Click on the Tracking tab to access your current tracking setup. Review your existing tracking codes and ensure you have the necessary information at hand. If updates or changes are needed, you may want to copy your existing tracking code for reference. Locate the specific tracking code that corresponds to your advertising campaigns. Now, go to the platform where your tracking code is implemented, such as your website or app. Edit the tracking code based on the latest requirements from Rakuten Advertising. Make sure to include any new parameters or specifications that have been released. Once you have made the necessary changes, save the updated tracking code. Return to your Rakuten Advertising dashboard and navigate to the Campaigns section. Select the campaign you want to update with the new tracking setup. In the campaign settings, locate the field for the tracking code. Paste the updated tracking code into the appropriate field. Double-check to ensure that the code is entered correctly. After verifying, save your changes to the campaign settings. To ensure everything is functioning properly, run a test transaction through your updated setup. Monitor the performance metrics in your Rakuten Advertising dashboard. Review the report generated after the test to confirm that tracking is working accurately. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the Rakuten Advertising help resources for troubleshooting. With these steps completed, your Rakuten Advertising tracking setup should be successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.